Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to do set up your paper for your summary. So you're going to go down and open up Word. You're going to open up a blank document. Now, it needs to be in double spaced, and it needs to be in 12 point. So your 12 point will be right here. New times. I'm not real worried about that. It can also be in Georgia, which I'm fine with. You can leave it in that. Now your paragraph. Paragraph is right here. Click on that. And the first box you're going to be looking for is where it says line spacing. So you're going to click on this. You're going to double. And then all you're going to do is hit OK. The next thing is design. I'm sorry, layout. And you're going to go over here to margins. And it already should be the first one, which is normal. And everything is set up now. All you got to do now is start typing. And then you go from there. But that's how you do it.